responsible for addiction?
You are underestimating yourself and you become addicted, I think.
What's the problem with addiction?
Yourself.
Yes, that's
You could say a lot of things, though. You could say your parents, because your parents were addicts. You could say
Yeah.
friends who got you involved. You could say it's your lifestyle.
Yeah,
I think that
very
you are
fault.
responsible for it.
See, some parents, I know parents, they give the kid 8 years old
Yeah.
a beer to
Oh,
drink.
yeah.
Yeah.
You know?
And they become
And some
alcoholics.
kids were addicted before they were born.
Yeah.
And there are two schools of thought. Okay, there are two schools of thought. One school of thought saying that if you are a drug addict, you're responsible for the onset. In other words, you're responsible for getting started. But you are responsible for the offset. The offset. You know why? Because the drug is so powerful that when you consume the drug, it changes your brain chemistry, it creates chemical dependency, it becomes a disease which can only be treated with drugs and medicine, whatever. So you're responsible for the onset, but you're not responsible for the offset. And that school of thought said that, well, addiction is not a medical problem. Addiction is an adaptation problem. It's a behavioral problem. You know why you use drugs? Because you can't handle the problem in life. You don't know how to adapt. You can't handle the stress, the loneliness, the depression. You don't feel comfortable living under your own skin. You want to escape from the world. Frankl said, remember Frankl said, addiction is one of the neurotic triad. Depression, aggression, and addiction. The three are the neurotic triad. You can't cope. So in order to get rid of addiction, you are responsible for learning how to cope with your problems without resorting to drugs. Right? That's what goes out. But even if you say, oh, addiction is a disease over which I have no power, but you still have the ability of checking yourself in a rehab, of going to see a doctor for help, right? You still have to cry for help.